What's up, everybody? What's up? That's right, build it for you, build it for me. Let's beast it up, that's right, woo! How's it going? It is my Saturday, that's right, it's Saturday, April 3rd, 2021. 2021! I purchased this demolition hammer from Harbor Freight Tools. It has been now approximately, give or take, 2.5 years to 2 years, and I purchased this demolition hammer, as you're going to see in this video, so don't shut it off yet. I'm going to show you as I'm working on this basement. I purchased this demolition hammer. Alright, I have it down here on the floor at Harbor Freight Tools. It is a beast, alright. It is a 35-pound demolition jackhammer, alright. And I figured I wanted to give a separate tool review. I don't do tool reviews too often on my channel, but I think it's about time I should start. So as this video is playing, I'm going to have me in the little corner over here. You see me in the corner? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. And I'm trying to open this case. Alright, it comes in a nice carrying case, alright? Alright, so let me turn you around right here. When you open it up, you're going to have two types of chucks. You got your spade, and then you got your flat chisel down there, alright? Comes with the tool changer if you want to use this to when it for parts, etc., etc. It'll come with some grease, a little container of grease. I just have these rags so I can clean my chucks, my keys, and everything else when I clean it up. And when you're done using it all, you can put it back together and put it back in the carrying case. I just keep it used. Now, what have I used it for? You're going to see it in this video as I'm going. Here we go. Because I'm basting it up. I'm jackhammering this whole basement floor. I've already got almost this whole basement floor all jackhammered up. And I got it for one purpose in the beginning. To put in a French drain system in my basement. Or you call a waterproofing system. Yada, yada, yada. And it works really well. So I figured it is time to say, Harbor Freight Tools, thank you so much. It is a great, great buy. For $399, it's a great buy. I'm going to take you upstairs real quick, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about it. As you watch in this video, you're going to see this old beast. That's right, this old beast. This old whippersnapper using this. Alright, I'm not a young guy, alright? So, bear with me. It is a 15 amp, alright? 15 amp, but it does require a 20 amp plug-in, alright? It is a 35-pound demolition hammer. They say Demolition Hammer Kit from Harbor Freight Tools. It's a BAUER. As of April 3rd, 2021, the price is going for now $399.99. It is comparable to your Bosch, alright, which retails at like almost $1,000. I like it. I've used it. I jackhammered up, oh my gosh, my whole basement floor for my French drain system. My two areas to put in basins for a sump pump. I jackhammered 1, 2, 3 sidewalks, alright, out in my backyard and front yard. And it still works. To this day, it still works. I haven't had any problems that it hasn't overheated or anything like that. So I think it's a great buy, and for what it's worth, if you are watching this, it's a great buy. I mean, just let the tool do the work. As you can see in my video, you just plug it in, let it warm up, read the directions when you get it, let it warm up, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it's really well and really good to go. You just start jackhammering. You'll sort of learn as you go, all right? Let the tool do the work. Don't try to pry on it. Don't try to press on it. Just let the tool do the work, and you'll achieve your accomplishment. It's a great tool, great buy. Harbor Freight Tools, 35-pound demolition hammer. If you need something bigger, they have it, but I'll tell you right now, if you're tackling anything like I was tackling, it'll work really well for you. It busted up some stuff, I'll just tell you that. If I could talk other language, I would tell you it was busting up some shiznit. Alright, have yourselves a great day. If you are going to get one, or you're watching this and you're thinking about it, you're not going to lose. You're not going to lose. And if you want to, get the extended warranty. I do not profit from anything from Harbor Freight Tools by making this tool review. I just wanted to make a tool review to say thank you, Harbor Freights, for coming up with a tool that is affordable for everybody that can buy one. All right, enjoy yourself, enjoy your day. Thank you for coming into my channel and watching my fixer-upper house renovations. If you want, check out my other videos. I'm a new YouTuber, and an old beast, 50 plus almost years old, trying to make YouTube videos? Crazy. 50 some years old almost and making YouTube videos? Crazy. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, I'll tell you what, this is a job. This is a job. This is a job. You can see that I have a lot of water, right? A lot of water in here. A lot of water. That's constantly filling up because I'm trying to channel the water to where it's going to be located for the sub pump, the basin. But anyhow, I wanted to really take this area really careful. You saw I had to put some posts up because I have lean-in wall over there, and I'm going to be ripping that stairway out here eventually, really soon actually. It's about 9 p.m. on Saturday night. I think it's 9 p.m. Yeah, it's friggin' dark outside. So what I was doing, so that way when I come down here tomorrow, hopefully I won't have as much water over there like I have been vacuuming up. So now this will give it a little bit of air breathing and a chance to hopefully dry it out, since it's not supposed to rain, and it'll at least put the water somewhere else, and that will give me a head start. Now that I got my cut line started, I can just make my chunks and knock it out tomorrow morning. Alright, well, till tomorrow, I will talk to y'all later. And also, if you haven't seen it yet, that's our future bathtub. No shit. That's our future bathtub. And this fixer-upper. That's right. It's going to be our bathtub down here in the basement while the beast doesn't want to wreck the showers or anything else while we're working on this fixer-upper. I get to wash these nuts. Woo! Beast out of here.